I'm Maria Fatima Benares. I'm 23 years old. I am a college student in Kupang. I've been living this city since I started college 3 years ago. My daily routine is pretty simple. Usually, I wake up at 6 a.m. and get ready to head to campus. The trip from my dorm to campus takes 5 minutes. In class, the lecturer teaches theory and assigns homework. After class ends, I continue with more classes. Then I head back to my dorm. Once I arrive on my dorms, I start tidying up my room, cooking, cleaning, then have dinner, and continue working on my assignment. At 10 p.m., I get ready for bed. Thank you.